guys, hello there. Who this? New do? Who this? New hair? Who this? I'm so extra. I'm struggling nails, can't putting in my earring. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny yet chilly day here in France. And I am getting ready to head out. Today is a chill day, easing into tomorrow, kick off to vacation. Tomorrow we are off on vacation. We have our flight tomorrow. First leg of our flight tomorrow. But I won't elaborate on tomorrow day until tomorrow comes. So let's focus on today. So, woke up this morning. Wait, let's focus on before today. So I got my hair done. I know everybody's gonna ask, Mel, I love your hair. Mel, how did you do your hair? So I did passion twist in my hair, but it's the crochet passion twist. But funny enough, I wanted the crochet passion twist, but the passion twist that I bought wasn't already crochet. It was just the one strand that without the loop. Normally when you buy a passion twist, it's already twist into the twist, so you don't have to twist it. But the hair that I bought wasn't already twist, so I had to loop it in and then twist everything all by myself, one by one. So I got it done. But the method that I used was really amazing, from this other YouTuber that I love to watch when I want to do my hair. So if you guys want to know the method that I use, I did not film when I was doing my hair. If you guys want to know the method that I use, just leave it in the comment section and I'll show you guys her channel. However, I did not film because when I did my hair, I just got off the road and I was super tired, and I washed my hair, and the plan was to wash my hair then do my hair the following day, and I ended up washing my hair, drying it, and doing my hair the same afternoon. I did not finish doing my hair until 1:30 a.m. the morning. So I started like 3 o'clock in the evening and I finished like after 1 a.m. in the morning. But it was all worth it. I loved how it turned out and it's so neat. I love it. So this style is this year's hairstyle is very versatile. I can put it up in a half and half. I can put it up in a bun. However I want to do it, I can do it. But I love how it turned out. So this is my vacation here, and I also did my nails. Let me give you guys a close-up look of my nails. Boom, there we go. And guess what? You would have never guessed it. I did my nails myself, just like I did my hair myself. So I did not want to go to the nail salon. I'm saying, okay, this vacation is not going to be as long as how my summer vacations are normally long. So I couldn't be bothered to go and pay all that money to do my nails just for this period of time. So I said, you know what, I still want a little something. So I went ahead and picked up a set of press-on nails at the store, and it's my very first time trying press-on nails. And listen, I am totally in love. When people say press-on nails, I didn't realize that maybe those exist where you just press them on your nails and they stay on, but this one you have the glue to put the glue on the nail and on your fingernail, and then you push it onto your nail, but you like buff your nail first, you push down your cuticle and you fit the one that you want. And funny enough, the awesome thing about these nails is that they were very long, so I clipped them and shaped them to how I would normally do my nails. So I love that, and they turn out so well. I'm so proud of myself. And guess what, nail tech, you won't be seeing me for a while because now I'm totally in love with these, and it cost me €7. You'd never guessed it, but yes, live within your means and you can still look beautiful and still feel beautiful. Okay, so I'm rocking my €7 nails to go on my vacation, and rocking my how many packs of hair. I purchased these here for like 30 something euro, so it saved me 100 euro from going to somebody to do my hair. So when you have a little gift, just use it up and save them coins, okay? So you guys know I love a good sale, I love a good save. So if I have the time, can do it, I'll do it. But yeah, since I live in France, I've never gone to a hair salon to do my hair before, and I don't think I will ever go because I can do my hair myself as long as I have the time. I just need to allot a day to say, listen, that's my hair day, and nobody don't bother me for that day, and I'll get my hair done. With all that said, the house is very quiet. You hear it, right? Yes, I'm not home alone, but I'm home alone. Kind of, sort of. No, not really. Sarah is taking a nap. Sarah is napping right now. I've been rambling with you guys for way too long. But anyway, Sarah is taking a nap. Today's Saturday. Tyler and Papa is out at one of Tyler's friend birthday party. So we're going to meet up each other because we are going car shopping. We're going window car shopping today, okay? Not to actually purchase the car, but like I said, window car shopping. So this car, we are due to change our car. We are ready to change our car. Nothing happened before the time, and like I said, always live within your means until time comes for you to make changes in your life. Have a life plan, have a goal, and stick to it, and everything will just fall into place. And it's time for us to change our car. We are ready to change our car, and we're super excited. This car that we have, we purchased it like 3 weeks after I came in France, and this car has been so faithful to us. We take it on road trips. You guys know that we drove out the entire Europe 2 years ago, and this car was amazing. It did justice to us. It came in the time when we needed it. It's what we could have afforded. Or a little car, we're gonna miss it so much. It's so tiny, but it did what it needed to do. And no, because we always do all these road trips, our trunk is too small and we don't have space for all the suitcases and all the gifts when we visit family during Christmas time and so many other factors. But we are due to change our car. It's time. So the aim is to get an automatic car, because the license that I'm doing is an automatic license. So this car will initially be my car, and after, our plan is like after 2-3 years, then I'm sure by then I'll get my license. So babe will get another car for him during that time. But anyway, that's our plan. But anyway, there's a car expo going on close to home that there is some potential cars that we have our eye on. So we're just gonna swing by to go to see what they're offering and what it's like. So we have today free. We didn't have any plans, so that's what we're gonna do this afternoon, and then we're gonna source dinner because it's the last day before vacation. I never cook the last day before vacation. My house is clean, my kitchen is clean, everything stays spick and span, and your girl ain't cooking, okay? So so we're gonna source dinner in after we finish all that. So with all that said, hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of today's vlog and you guys are ready for a little vacation that is coming up. It won't be as long as the summer vacation because of course we have to get back to our work, and the kids have to go back to school and stuff like that. So this vacation will be shorter but sweeter. But anyway, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and you guys will see everybody as soon as Sarah wake up and as soon as I catch up with the boys. So I'm gonna stop rambling over how many minutes I'm rambling because I haven't seen you guys in so long. It's been like 4 going on 5 days for me since I picked up the camera, but for you guys it's only been 2 days. So anyway, enjoy today's vlog and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Say hello, boys. Die. Sun in your face. Duh. Everybody's out. Okay, there you are. You park right there. So we are here going window shopping. Yes, Sarah. Yeah. Yes, Tyler.
Mario race game I have.
Uh-huh.
They had the clothes.
Okay.
I had flavors.
20. Hey. So the price is?
They are new.
Oh, the new ones are new. I like this one. Look at the color. The color is nice.
I'm not going shopping.
We go car shopping.
Car shopping.
I'm not talking for you, it's to me.
Not bad. For you, yes. This one is nice.
Why?
This red, yes to this red. This red is nice.
But it's 24 soft.
That's out of our price range.
24.
The red. The red out of our league. Nah, I love this color. Yeah. This one look nice. This one look nice. Marcia, stand up. I like it. I like this one. And it's not too big. It's neat. This one look nice. I like this one. Hold this. Come.
Mama.
Look and see me. Don't drop it. Oh, look at this one. This one looks nice.
Mama, you prefer which one?
I think you should get an assistant. J'arrive. Non, merci. Come, come.
1965, la guerre du Vietnam ressemblait à n'importe quelle autre guerre.
Come, let's go to Papa.
Elle était différente.
Merci.
Et les combattants aussi.
So this one looks nice, but the trunk is so small. It's disappointing to see how small the trunk is. Sarah making herself comfortable. See it, bro. I can't see it, bro. My new car.
You like it?
How am I? Hey, you too. You like it? Come, finish. Tyler, finish. Close that end and come at this end. This one? You know I like the bright colors, but any color will do. Come, guys, come. I'm coming around. Come. 1, 2, out of which 4? This one looks nice. I like the black and gray. The black and gray is nice. What's the price on the black and gray? The black and gray is pretty. The black one is this jet black is growing on me. But between all four, I like this one. And I don't know about this one, but this one is nice. I love this. Yeah, I love this one. This color, like, I like this. What is it? Goldish? No, not gold. Gray. But it's a different gray from this gray. Car window shopping, and now we have the whole crew going for pizza. One pizza. Where are you going, Sarah? Where are you going? Put on back your belt properly. Put your hand back in your belt. Let's go to the town. What do you want to go to town to do?
Prendre à droite sur boulevard François Grosso.
You fell and hurt your hand?
Yeah.
Because you were running. Sarah! What did Mama tell you about screaming? It's a girl load. Pizza on a Saturday.
What would be there Pandigaza?
Pandigaza? Idea Pandigaza?
What would be there Pandigaza?
Everybody did Pandigaza. Alright, happy nice now.
Which side you are? You're Kingston or you're Portmore?
Kingston.
No, Tyler, Gaza is Portmore. You have to say Portmore. Sarah, stop doing that.
Sarah, you're Kingston or you're Portmore? Sarah, you're Kingston or you're Portmore?
Yes, Sarah, yes. Babe, I try to trick my girl.
No.
You can't trick my daughter.
It's only Tyler. Tyler was always on the wrong side.
Tyler, you have to say Gaza. Gaza is Portmore.
If you had said Kingston in second, should have said Kingston.
I think so too.
I think so too. That's why I
I
said
think
Kingston
so too.
first. Because I wanted her to say Portmore.
Oh my days. Yes, somebody's tired. I want to sleep. You guys, you know this won't make it home, so I'm showing you from now. The cheesy breads. Can't see it properly because I'm in the car. Yes. Alright, dinner time. Pizza, Hawaiian. And we have pizza creamy bacon. You're really going to bed late, me, honey?
How long is it going to take you?
Maybe like 15.
15?
Yeah.
Okay,
20.
15 I can stay here.
15, 20 minutes.
First minute.
Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on to end today's vlog. I'm
Do I look
tired.
cute?
A little bit.
Okay, thank you. I look cute.
Thanks to me.
Yeah, just a little bit. So a lot of bit, a little bit. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I just give him a haircut, you guys, and Tyler is in bed, Sarah is in bed. Everybody's so looking forward to their flight tomorrow. So hopefully Sarah will sleep all night and don't call me to go and get her to pee.
I had a full day at Tyler's friend party. Not
All they did this morning was get up and have breakfast and go.
and
I didn't get home until what, after 7.
stay there. and it's sometimes even more tired that you just go everywhere just around your kid. So, but you have fun. Tyler really had fun. You have to push him to make him do the thing. Otherwise, he will just be in his comfort zone,
And
doing
watch
the car.
everybody.
Yeah, he will drive the
Did
car.
he try new things that you wouldn't try?
Yeah, push him for one of the virtual reality things.
Okay, cool.
He didn't want it to do it, but he had a lot of fun. But
Okay.
you know, him will do like
You
the
have to motivate
icing things that you
Ty.
push, and
You have to motivate
Oh,
Ty
yeah.
to let him come out of his comfort zone. Anyway, you guys, tomorrow the vacation vlog kicks off. The vacation vlog kicks off tomorrow, so you don't want to miss it. It's finally here.
Hola, señorita, ¿cómo estás?
Comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and enjoy our vacation vlogs that will be coming up for the next few days. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys here and go and finish editing, so you guys will see this on Monday. So vacation vlog will be coming on Tuesday. So love you guys, and I'll see you guys.
Hasta mañana.
I'll see you guys on the plane tomorrow.